In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook Automatic Reply. Automatic replies, often called out-of-office messages, let people know you're away and set expectations about when you'll respond. We'll walk through both the new Outlook or Outlook on the web and then classic Outlook on Windows, so you can pick the path that matches what you see on your screen. Let's start with the new Outlook or the web version. Open Outlook and click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings, then choose View All Outlook Settings. In the Settings panel, go to Mail, and then Automatic Replies. Turn the switch to On to enable automatic replies. If you want Outlook to handle these on a schedule, select Send Replies only during this time period and choose your start and end dates and times. This is helpful because it automatically begins and stops for you, so you don't have to remember to come back and turn it off. Next, write your messages. You can add one message for people inside your organization and, if available, a separate message for people outside your organization. Keeping these distinct helps you share internal details with colleagues while giving a simpler note to external contacts. Keep your message short and clear, include your return date, and offer a backup point of contact if appropriate. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Your settings take effect immediately or at the time you scheduled. Now, let's cover Classic Outlook. Click the File tab in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Choose Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office. If you don't see that option, your setup may not support server-based replies and you might need to use rules and alerts instead. In the Automatic Replies window, select Send Automatic Replies. If you want Outlook to manage the timing, check only Send during this time range and set your start and end dates and times. Otherwise, leave it unchecked and manage it manually. Go to the Inside My Organization tab and type your message for colleagues with the key details they'll need while you're away. When you're done, click OK to save your settings. That's all you need to set up automatic replies in Outlook. Thanks for watching.